Hello trainees. We are going to study about purpose of hairstyling, types of hairstyling, thermal hairstyling, wet hairstyling, advantages of wet hairstyling and procedure of hairstyling. Purpose of hairstyling. The practice of grooming hair has been going on since ancient times. Hair grooming is a requirement used by every woman. Hairstyling is an art that requires a hairstylist to have knowledge of hair structure, type of hair thickness, length, and condition. An accomplished hairstylist keep in the mind the time, age, requirement, etc. while making the hairstyle. Use and maintenance of electrical equipment. Types of hairstyling. It is divided into two parts to understand hairstyling in detail. Traditional hairstyling, dry and wet hairstyling. Traditional hairstyling. Under this, interlocks, pinks, finger waving, rolls, twisting, etc. These are hairstyles that are used according to the time, age, requirement, and function of the customer. These hairstyles depends on the texture, length, condition and thickness of the hair. Back combing and back brushing hairstyling. To give the volume to the hairstyling, it is given more or less according to the shape, age, body texture, etc. of the face. Emergence, i.e. back combing and back combing is also known as Olthe combing. According to this method, hair is styled as needed. Back combing and back brushing process. Brush in hair. Raise the braided hair at 90° from their place with tail comb at the place where you want to the bulge. After combing these hair, go towards the foreskin. Clean the hair coming from your place towards the head with a little comb to make the hair look natural. This technique is commonly used to make the forelock and interlock ahead of the hairline ear. Braided hairstyling. This type of hairstyling method, this is done with help of fingers and tail comb to decorate the hair ahead of the head. Sometimes this action can also be used on the back hair. Braiding can be given by several methods such as French braid and twisting braid, etc. Bridal hairstyling. Bridal hairstyle. Bridal hairstyle is type of the traditional Indian hairstyle that is used in today's bride's hairstyling. Further, hairstyling is done to see more bulge and puffiness in the hair. Rolls or interlocks are provided with a hairstyle made in the back hair. It is decorated with flowers, gajra and ornaments. Thermal hairstyling. By this method, hairstyle is given with hair heating devices. In modern times, various types of thermal equipment are available in the market. A new shape to the hair under which the following: blow drying, ironing, crimping, hair pressing, tongue, curling rod. Various hairstyles can be made by electric rollers or preheated rollers. Wet hairstyling. There are pinnacles and fingers waving, etc. for hairstyling of wet hair. To get the best results, only a skilled professional hairstylist can do this work right. Cosmetics and materials used in thermal setting: shampoo, hair conditioning, styling, mouse, neck, cap, towel hairspray setting, styling lotion hair gel clips, tail comb, straight and round hair brushes, all types of combs and hair oil serums. Advantages of wet hair styling: dries hair quickly, bring hair growth, waves or curl hair as needed, wave strengthen hair preparation, wrap a large towel round the neck to protect the customer's clothing. Secure the neck with the help of a neck cap. Preheat the thermal device you want to use as needed. Prepare trolleys for treatment as required. Procedure of wet hair styling: shampoo the hair partially, dry the hair with the help of a towel. Apply styling lotion to the hair. Split hair into 4 parts, from ear to ear and from middle line of the forehead to the neck. Split the hair from the neck and dry the hair with a dryer with the help of a round brush. Continue moving towards the crown in the same way. Thank you for being with us in week 27. Let's proceed to week 28 with completing the assignment for week 27. Thank you.